I kind of have a situation this morning with the Dodge. She's a little stuck. So the Dodge got stuck trying to get up to the combines to get fuel. So we're having to take them one at a time, or I say we. Hayden is taking them one at a time to back them up to get fuel. Kind of looks like he's done, and Cody might be last.
Is the other field dry or what?
It didn't rain over there, but I don't know. There's some green little sucker heads, so not sure if the grain is dry. I'm having to stock up.
But I guess we're moving over there.
Yes. Okay, I'm having to stock up my fridge. Oh man. Whoops. So, I was telling Hayden the other day that I was kind of getting concerned that I'm running out of things to share. I feel like everything is starting to get repetitive. And repetitive just on my end, but also repetitive for what Hayden does too. So I don't really know how to fix it, because if you want to know what we do every day, a lot of our days are very similar. So, you know, I can only record unloading on Cody so many times before you're thinking, okay, we get it. Some days are different than others as far as breakdowns or getting stuck, or I don't know, it could be a lot of things. But when it's going good, it's all the same. So if you have any questions, you know, that you want answered, or if you want to see something that we don't show, let me know and I'll do my best. I am an open book, but I'm also private. I have to keep some things private, guys. I mean, you know what world we're living in. I'll drop you in the mud. You can't walk that way. You'll sink.
You can't drive that way either.
You don't say. It looks like he has a super single. It looks like my combine. The first thing that we're gonna do today is move to a new field. We finished this one yesterday. The ground appears to be dry, but we're not certain about the wheat, so we will see. Debs is getting the special treatment. Okay, while we move, I have a confession to make. So I showed where Cody got the Dodge stuck with a fuel trailer, and I know that last year on Hayden's channel I got stuck in the combine multiple times. Newsflash, boys get stuck too. However, Cody said So you think YouTube is just gonna think that I'm the only one that's got stuck this year? Okay, my confession is that I have been stuck, but I got stuck and then Jeff also got stuck. It was on our own property, and I had a different camera, and the footage was, I tried real hard to use it. I'll let Hayden look at it. He can make a short with it, but I couldn't salvage it. So, and I'm not trying to hide it from YouTube. I mean, roast me, whatever you need to do. But I did get stuck. Jeff did get stuck. So Cody makes number 3. This is lovely. Okay, we made it to the field. We are going to cut a sample and see what it is. The gate is right there. It is a 40-foot gate. Our headers are 40 foot, but we can wiggle around that pretty easy. Okay, so we got the field opened up. Hayden is dumping on Cody because he'll need to make a pass through where he won't be able to dump. I will unload on the go once he sets a line. So the name of the game is to keep the combines moving. When he sets a track, it will share it with mine and Jeff's combines. That way we will have the same heading. We use A+ heading. 92, Cody.
All right.
We try not to cut just completely against the rows because it's hard on the sickle, like you can hear it popping. Because it abruptly has flow and then it doesn't, has flow and then doesn't. Okay, so we're having issues with the moisture.
13.9 now.
I haven't read 13.9 at all. I'm at 15. We don't want 15 moisture.
It's got 15.
It's mostly 15. Excuse my muddy mirrors. That was a treat on the way over here. So this field is planted in a circle, not a pivot circle, but just it's a rectangle, just a rectangle circle, you know, like old school. And then of course you can see it's planted that way, so that's doing the corners, you know. So sometimes we're kind of angling across, sometimes we're going straight across the rows, like against the rows. It's just kind of all over the place. Okay, we're just gonna send in one truck and see what the moisture is. Look at the mud. Gross. It's on my shoes and my pants too. What are they doing? Let's go see.
You didn't kill your combine.
I'm not killing mine. Candy's in there. Should get too hot. What are you doing? Here is the wheat. See, it's a little bit of a different color. I think it's pretty though. You like it, Dips? You see how it's like broke over a lot? You can see it laying on the ground. Goofball. See how all these are broke over or laid over like that? And this is uncut wheat. You see all the wheat on the ground. That is from hail. So it makes it really hard for us to set the combines because we can't check behind us because there's already wheat on the ground. You left me. You left me. Okay, verdict is 12.8. We have corrected and corrected and corrected on these machines until now we're reading too high. So I'm gonna go back down on my correction and try to get it matched with the elevator without weeds. But the good news is that we can keep cutting. This field is small. It's only like 105 acres, so we should be able to knock that out really, really quick.
Talking BB. No flashbacks. Yeah, they ain't nothing special. See them big old circles out here that are twisted up and laid down? Yeah, what is that? Mosaic. What is that? Fungus against the wheat. Streak mosaic, I think.
That is what he's talking about right there.
As it comes out of these pastures, you'll see it a lot when there's grass around. Mainly it's on the sides, and you'll see it more on the southwest corner. It'll come across, the wind blows it.
We are done with this field, so I'm going to unhook my header and put it on the trailer so that we can get ready to move to the next field. The sky is pretty dark and cloudy and it looks like it could rain any second, which there is rain in the forecast. So not sure what the weather's gonna do, but we've got to move anyway. I probably should have lowered my header down a little bit. Here's my dill. That's even the wrong hand. a sticker in my glove. Okay, let's go do the other side. This is what you call a traffic jam. No, I'm kidding. We are just parked here so that we can close the gates. It's the best kind of traffic jam to have, though. Let's see if we can get in here and park crooked. I'm a professional at that. When Hayden was doing merch last year, we talked about having it drawn up where we had 2 combines. Now we need 3. And he was gonna park straight and then have mine crooked. But I told him if he did that, that would be great, but he had to have his lights on and then so that I win. I still think we should do that. Oh, even better. Yeah, I'm gonna have to back in. Sheesh. Okay. I'm most likely very crooked, but we are here. We are parked, tucked in for the night. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that you have a great day, and later, Gator.